In the realm of industrial connectivity, precision and reliability are essential qualities sought after by engineers and technicians. Conesys AE51C1 hashtag 16-pin RECP MS3450W8S. 1PY is a specific component in this domain, serving as a connector that promises both durability and performance. This narrative journeys into its usage, composition, and significance in various applications. Every connector serves as a vital link in the vast networks that form the backbone of modern machinery and electronics. The MS3450W8S 1PY is no exception, with its meticulously crafted design ensuring secure and efficient connections between components. Made from high-grade materials, it boasts commendable resistance to environmental factors, which expands its utility across diverse settings, from aerospace to industrial automation. The name Conesys AE51C1 hashtag 16 signifies a series embedding this particular product among other similar ranges, indicating its compatibility and standardized form, which simplify integration into existing systems. Compatibility is crucial for engineers who often need to upgrade or replace parts without overhauling entire infrastructures. This component has a 16-pin receptacle configuration. Each pin is precision engineered to transmit signals or power effectively without disruptions. These pins, protected within a sturdy receptacle, safeguard against wear and guarantee reliable long-term usage, a demand in industries where continuous operation is paramount. Usage scenarios are vast and varied. In aerospace, such connectors might link critical systems inside an aircraft, where failure is not an option, ensuring passenger safety and system functionality. In industrial settings, they might connect control systems and sensors that monitor factory operations, pivotal in maintaining production efficiency and safety. Installation simplicity is another hallmark of the MS3450W8S 1PY component. Designed to minimize labor and time costs, its form factor enables straightforward installation, convenient for on-field technicians who often face time constraints and challenging environments.